This is the Kodak i4850 series scanner. I'm going to show you how to scan documents on it. The scanner can handle mixed documents at once, so you can put large and small documents through at the same time. After connecting all the cables to your scanner and installing any drivers and software, you can load the paper in to the input tray. Paper goes in face up, and when you load it in, the tray will automatically adjust to the necessary height. You can then adjust your imaging guides to keep documents secure while going through. After you've loaded in the documents and you're ready to scan, you're using the Smart Touch scanning utility. On the screen, navigate down to the Smart Touch options and click the check button to go into the menu. You can then select the type of scan you want to do. We are going to do a color PDF scan, so I'm going to highlight that and click the check button to start scanning. After your initial step goes through, if you want, you can load more paper into the tray. If you're done, you can push the stop scanning button. And that's how you scan documents on a Kodak i4850 series scanner.